How dangerous is truck driver fatigue? Large trucks are some of the most hazardous vehicles on the road, requiring specialized training and licenses to operate safely. However, fatigue among truck drivers is a major issue that increases the risk of serious accidents. Many drivers feel pressure to meet deadlines and may continue driving even when exhausted, creating dangerous conditions for themselves and others. Truck driver fatigue prevention laws and regulations. To combat truck driver fatigue, federal and state regulations impose strict limits on driving hours and require rest periods. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, enforces hours of service, HOS, rules, which limit truck drivers transporting goods to 11 hours of driving per shift, following 10 consecutive hours off duty. Total on-duty time cannot exceed 14 hours in a shift, and drivers must take a 30-minute break after 8 hours behind the wheel. Weekly limits restrict driving to 60 hours over 7 days or 70 hours over 8 days. To reset their workweek, drivers must take at least 34 consecutive hours off duty. Compliance is monitored through electronic logging devices, ELDs, which automatically track driving hours, reducing the risk of falsified logbooks. Pennsylvania enforces these rules under 67 Pascals Code Section 229, ensuring commercial truckers follow federal limits. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in fines, out-of-service orders, and employer liability in accident cases. These laws play a critical role in preventing fatigue-related crashes and keeping roads safer for everyone. The impact of fatigue on truck driver performance. Fatigue has a serious effect on a truck driver's ability to operate safely. When exhausted, a driver's reflexes slow down significantly, making it harder to react to hazards. Large trucks already require more stopping distance than passenger vehicles, so even a slight delay in reaction time can lead to devastating rear-end collisions or multi-vehicle crashes. A tired driver may also struggle to maintain focus, increasing the risk of drifting into other lanes or misjudging distances. When a fatigued truck veers into another lane or clips a smaller car, it can send the vehicle spinning out of control. Drowsy driving also reduces situational awareness, making it harder for drivers to anticipate and respond to changes in traffic. Cognitive delays caused by fatigue further impair decision-making, making it more difficult for drivers to assess hazards and take corrective action in time. When trucking companies fail to ensure drivers are well rested, they contribute to dangerous conditions that put lives at risk. Legal options after a truck accident caused by fatigue. If you or a loved one has been injured in a truck accident due to driver fatigue, you may have legal options to seek compensation. Holding negligent drivers and trucking companies accountable is essential in preventing further accidents. A knowledgeable truck accident attorney can investigate whether hours of service violations played a role in the crash, review ELD data, and determine if the trucking company pressured its drivers into unsafe working conditions. Truck accident cases involving fatigue often involve complex legal and insurance issues. A skilled lawyer can help you seek compensation for medical bills, lost wages, and other damages. If a trucking company's negligence contributed to the accident, legal action may help ensure they improve their policies to prevent future tragedies. If you have been affected by a truck accident, the experienced legal team at Luxenberg Garbett Kelly & George, PC is here to help. Call 724-658-8535 or visit our office at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101, for a free consultation.